Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Confirm your Zerodha demat and trading accounts are active and your bank is linked. Once done, choose whether you'll buy via lump sum or a monthly SIP. Log into Kite, search the company ticker, and view the market depth to gauge liquidity. Make sure to set your purchase amount and order type now so you can act without delay. This first transaction starts your long-term holding strategy and establishes a cost basis. Once you've picked the stock, place a limit order to control entry price. You can stagger orders to average in. You should verify brokerage charges and taxes and confirm the required funds or margin available in your account. Monitor order status in the Orders tab and use GTT or slices to automate future buys. Make sure to enable SMS/email confirmations and record the trade in your portfolio tracker so you know exactly when and why you entered. You'll complete the process by verifying share credit in your demat after the T+2 settlement and updating your long-term goals in the portfolio. Once settled, set reminders to review fundamentals quarterly and choose dividend reinvestment or cash payouts based on goals. If something goes wrong, first check that funds cleared, your order parameters meet exchange limits, and there's no trading halt. Then retry or contact Zerodha support with order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.